First things first, let's quickly define passive income for those who might be new to the concept. Passive income is money earned with minimal effort on your part, making it an ideal way to build wealth over time. Now, let's explore some exciting opportunities for 2024. Kicking things off with a hot topic, cryptocurrency staking. In 2024, staking has become a popular way to earn passive income with your digital assets. Simply put, you lock up your crypto in a wallet to support the operations of a blockchain network and, in return, receive additional tokens as a reward. Stay tuned for some key platforms and strategies to maximize your earnings. Ever thought about starting an e-commerce business without the hassle of managing inventory? Automated dropshipping might be the answer. With advancements in technology, you can set up a store that automatically fulfills orders, making it a hands-off source of income. Stick around as we share tips for success in the ever-evolving world of dropshipping. For those who prefer a more traditional approach, dividend investing remains a reliable way to generate passive income. We'll discuss some of the top dividend-paying stocks, strategies for building a dividend portfolio, and how to make the most of your investments in 2024. Remember, building wealth takes time and commitment, so choose the strategies that align with your goals and risk tolerance. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more content on building wealth and financial freedom. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.